chicken kebabs, start by preparing the marinade. So you're going to grate or finely chop or crush your garlic, which you're then going to mix with olive oil and lemon juice and add some seasoning to that. You then need to prepare your chicken. So cut it into bite-sized chunks or same-sized chunks. Make sure that you're using a red board if you've got one to prevent any cross-contamination. Always wash your hands after handling raw meat, and put your chicken into a bowl or a container and pour over the marinade. Your marinade is then going to be on your chicken for at least 30 minutes. Leave it overnight in the fridge if you've got the time, and that will flavour your chicken. Prepare your vegetables into even-sized pieces that will easily go onto a skewer. But remember, your chicken is going to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes, so you do need to make sure that your vegetables are chunky, otherwise they will end up burning. And then put them together into a bowl and toss in some olive oil and some seasoning. Cover your baking tray with foil and then prepare your kebabs. So threading onto either metal skewers or wooden skewers that have been soaked in water for half an hour, and arrange your kebabs in a repeating pattern so that you have got regularity to each one. Preheat your grill to a medium to high heat, and then once you have arranged your kebabs, pop them under the grill for 12 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally until the chicken is cooked through and reaches 75 degrees C.